Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Hope everybody's doing great today. Want to bring you guys out to the water to check out this 2024 Harris 250 Sunliner. So let's go ahead and start right back here in the stern and work our way up to the bow. So first things first, back here we have a great package with our 150 horsepower Mercury outboard. It's going to be a great fit for not only putting around, but also to do some minor water sports such as tubing. So a great spot to do it back here on your tow bar. And very open back as well. So, great entertainment space. As you can see, you got tons of storage underneath your compartments here. So great place to put extra stuff like a trash can. And then you even do have an inboard cooler. So that way you can really enjoy the water all day long. And that does self-drain down into the lake. So it makes that a lot easier for the end of the day. Then as we come on through, I want you guys to realize a couple different things about the Sunliner model and what makes this unique. You're going to realize that there's some extra bolstering up in the bow, but not only that, you got cross-stitching going along all the centers of your seats. So making it feel like a richer interior, a lot nicer, just having that extra little touch to, give you that upgrade from the cruiser model as this is the next step up. So then you'll also notice that we have the SLDH platform or floor plan, which is going to give you, your sun lounger off the back, but also give you the dual helm seats here midship. These are fully adjustable, where you can adjust your backing here, you can adjust your armrests, and then you can even swivel this chair 360 degrees around. So very versatile chairs. Then coming over here to our helm, you're going to realize that we do have a digital dash on here with our Simrad. Very, very easy to use unit, as we got it on the Mercury screen now to go over all the engine data. And then you could very easily switch over to your chart plotter and see exactly where you're at on the lake. So super easy operation there. Then we got some great electronics on here as well, such as a phone charger. But we also do have some stuff that is related to the top on this boat, such as your bimini top lights and your power top switch. This is going to be super important for not only laying the top down, but also giving you ambient lighting that's off of the electric top. And that is an option that is only on the electric top, okay? And that light is right here midship. So that way you get a great ambient glow underneath the bimini top at nighttime. Then as we come up to the bow more, we do have some in-floor storage. So great, huge storage compartment as it's in a 27-inch tune. So great that tune gives you more stability, but even gives you more storage, which I love. Then up here in the bow, you can see the 250 has a much, much larger bow seat. So a lot of seating, but also a lot of storage at the same time. So great access to different storage compartments, easy pull tab with a seat that's actually attached too. Then again, some options that are particular to the Sunliner. You do get some armrests on board, but this is the bolstering that I was talking about that is added to this boat. So not only do you get that cross-stitched, really rich interior, but you do get a little bit more comfort out of it too. Then aside from that, you do also have some vinyl wrapped on the bases of your seats here. As you can see around your speakers, you do actually have vinyl wrapped all the way around to give you a little bit more of a premium feel. But anyways, guys, that is the 2024 Harris 250 Sunliner. If you want to come out and take a test drive or hear more information about it, let us know. Thank you guys for watching.